Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you my craft room as it was in January of 2020. I'm going to give you a tour of it. Obviously I've added a few more things since then. We revamped the playroom into my craft space and painted all the walls. But I want to show you guys what it looked like prior to all of this happening this year with everything that's going on. We were able to kind of revamp this room and turn it into a remote office as well as a craft space for me. If you guys check out my channel, you'll see the revamped space, but I'm going to show you what it looked like so that you guys can feel a little bit better. If you have a space that you are trying to achieve this look, just know that it's taken me a lot of time over the years, also convincing my husband in revamping the space. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you a video of what this room actually looked like a year ago. Hey guys, I'm going to give you a tour of my craft room, and this is basically me not cleaning it up. So we turned our kids' playroom, that was a playroom there, into my craft room office because I think we have all their stuff upstairs now instead of down here. And so that is where all of my machines for crafting are. So I've got my Silhouette, and my Cricut also typically is over there as well. And I've got a press machine there, and these are Ikea cabinets. They're Alex cabinets that are awesome for storing a bunch of crafting supplies and all of that. And then over here I've got my sewing machine on the floor because I hardly sew, but I have it there. I have a table. I use that often whenever I'm like working from home because I do have a corporate job and I just need to be able to see outside because that helps prevent monotony in the day. Then I have two Alex cabinets stacked together, my printer and my photo printer there. And then over here, I've got my actual table. And again, this is the Alex setup as well. I've got an Apple monitor as well as my computer. And then I also have over here, and I can't remember what this cabinet's called, but I'll link to it. And we had to move it from upstairs to downstairs, and let me tell you, it was kind of a pain to move it. But that is the Alex cabinet is what it's called. And then I have another cabinet. I had more room upstairs, but I feel like even though this room is smaller and more compact, I feel like I get more done and more crafting done. In this corner, I also have all of my fabrics that I use and my mic that is for some of the videos that I do here on my YouTube channel. And then also, just want to point out some things that are convenient for me. I've got these little plastic hooks right here to hold some of my mat boards. And then I also have this little turny thing, Lazy Susan, for a lot of my craft supplies. And really that's it. And in all of these different drawers, I've got like all my computer stuff, related computer stuff here. I've got all of my sewing stuff in here. I have all of my Cricut and Silhouette stuff in there. And then I have just random like envelopes and party stuff there. So there you have it. It's not the greatest setup from a beauty perspective or style perspective, but it is definitely something where I feel like I'm getting more crafting done. So hopefully that gives you an overview. This wall is not used for anything because I really enjoy having natural light come in. So if you guys have any questions about any of the things that I have, feel free to ask me below, and then I'll also link to the various materials and supplies that I have in our craft room as well. All right, bye guys.